This is Downtown Spotlight.
I'm Lisa Paparelli, owner of Core Sport Pilates Fitness Studio. We're located in downtown Plymouth, just above the Sardine Room and Campari's and Fiamma, the restaurants there. So we share the back entrance with them. It's impossible to get bored at Core Sport. We have a little bit of everything. We have Pilates equipment, we have bar classes, we have TRX classes, we have boot camp, we have functional training as well as the Pilates training. So we are all encompassing for your fitness and workout needs. We have really good people, super knowledgeable trainers, we have remarkable customer service, and we get results for our clients. Our clients are happy after their workouts. They leave feeling energized, like they could take on the day, and if they're consistent, they get results. And our aim is for our clients to be consistent and to get their workouts in and to enjoy them. People should visit Core Sport because we have a great energy in the studio. We're really a lot of fun. We're a happy group. We have remarkable customer service, and we really love what we do. But the clients can tell that our staff is really passionate about fitness.
For a class schedule and special offers, visit CoreSportStudio.com.